Libby, let me ask you a question.
What's that?
Does your face mask ever stink?
Sometimes.
Like, if I eat something garlicky or oniony for lunch?
Yeah, sometimes I
don't like that smell on my mask.
I can smell my breath after I eat when I have my mask on.
So today, we're going to make a mask mist spray that's gonna change that. Your mask is gonna be misted with essential oils and rubbing alcohol to help clean it and refresh it.
Sweet. Mask that stank.
What? Mask it. Mask it. Okay, so we're gonna make 3 different variations of this recipe today. And what you're gonna need is a face mask. Shout out to Masks That Matter, who gave us these masks and are donating all profits to Milwaukee's Children's Hospital, so check them out. Super cute. You'll also need, we're gonna be using 2-ounce spray bottles. You'll also want labels. You'll want some distilled water. You can also just use regular water, but distilled water is gonna help your recipe last a little bit longer. And you'll want some isopropyl rubbing alcohol. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna make a Defender version, a lemon and lavender version, and a citrus burst version.
Ooh.
What one do you wanna do first?
Let's start with Defender.
All right, defend this house.
Defender.
Let's go ahead and get started by adding all the ingredients to our spray bottle. And if you've got a funnel, it's pretty handy. To start, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of isopropyl rubbing alcohol, and we wanna make sure that our mask mist is at least 70% alcohol, because that's what the CDC recommends to kill those viruses and germs. Do you wanna pour?
Sure.
Do you wanna do this? Great.
So 3, you said?
Yes. And we're using rubbing alcohol, but you can also use vodka. We also recommend using an alcohol that's 151 proof, because that's going to allow those essential oils to fully dissolve into that alcohol, and it works best with essential oils. But we're just using rubbing alcohol. You can also use hydrogen peroxide, and we'll put some notes in the blog post on how to replace rubbing alcohol with hydrogen peroxide. And we're gonna add 11 drops of Defender Essential Oil blend.
All right.
Great, and then we'll give it a little stir to help it move throughout the alcohol. And then we'll add 1 tablespoon of water. So we shake it.
Shake, shake, shake.
And you wanna make sure to label it, and then you can spray your mask. Defender Essential Oil Blend has clove in it, which can be irritating to your nose. So I recommend spraying your mask and then letting it sit for a while to help to, first of all, let that rubbing alcohol aroma evaporate, and then also to help to make sure that essential oil isn't irritating to you. So don't spray it and put it on right away. That's gonna be overwhelming.
Could you spray it on the outside too?
Yes, go ahead and do that. This does not replace washing a mask. The alcohol can kill coronavirus, as the CDC recommends, but since you're just spraying it, it's not gonna replace actually washing it with a detergent. All right, let's go ahead and move on to our lemon and lavender combo. I love this combo of oils. It's uplifting and calming. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing. Add 3 tablespoons to our spray bottle of the isopropyl alcohol. So now we'll add the essential oils. All right, so we're gonna use 10 drops of each. Lavender and lemon have a similar strength of aroma, so we're using the same number of drops. And we're using more than the Defender blend because these are lighter, more gentle oils. Give it a little swirl to help mix those, incorporate it. All right, and then we'll add 1 tablespoon of water. Yeah, do that so that we make sure we get our 70% out. All right,
Okay.
So that one is done.
It's super quick and easy.
It is super quick and easy. Another important note that I just thought of is make sure whatever spray bottle you're using is either glass, aluminum, or PET plastic. This is PET plastic, because those are considered safe to use with essential oils. Other kinds of plastic are gonna break down over time with the essential oils. Let's go ahead and spray a mask. We did this one last time. I love the combo of lemon and lavender.
That is
So
nice.
good.
That's very nice. It smells so fresh.
On to our last spray, Citrus Burst. I love this blend of essential oils. It's very uplifting and energizing, so if you've got a big day, this is a good one to help uplift you and get you on your way. Great, so we'll do the same thing, 3 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. We're using 91% alcohol. Be sure you're using at least a 91% so that you're getting that 70% of alcohol in your recipe. And then Citrus Burst.
Okay, so we'll do 11 drops of this. So 1 tablespoon of water. And that's it.
That's it. We've got our 3, and then we shake and spray.
Oh, I can smell it. That's so nice.
All right, let's put these masks away. I'm gonna be poking at. Perfect.
Because it has a thingy on top.
Libby, which one is your favorite spray?
Probably Citrus Burst because I just love.
Because you're a citrus burst
gal.
I guess.
Well, bergamot is my favorite essential oil, and that one is in that blend. So
yes. And my favorite, I think, is lemon and lavender because it's calming and uplifting, and I just really like the smell. Thanks for watching. I'm Katie.
I'm Libby.
I'm a certified aromatherapist with Simply Earth, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. For more great videos like this one, check out our YouTube channel or our blog, which is filled with tons of recipes created by certified aromatherapists so you can know that they're safe.
Make sure to also check out our recipes and articles link on our website. You'll find a whole bunch of blog posts where you can find all sorts of fun recipes just like this one. See you later.